there! This is Joel from EZ Homebuyers, my area of acquisition. Here we are at headquarters. I want to have a one-on-one with you and talk to you about what's a hard money loan and how to obtain it. And what's a little bit more of the pros and their cons, and get a little bit more familiar with that concept. So come with me to the conference room, as like I said, we're here at headquarters, and just have a little more of a one-on-one conversation and talked a little bit more about hard money loans. These type of loans will finance your project. Could potentially finance your project. So, pro number one, they tend to be fast. They could be faster than a regular conventional loan coming from your Bank of America or coming from your Wells Fargo mortgage loan. So they tend to be fast. Another pro, it's that it's an asset based loan. What does this mean? This means that the investor or the lender cares more about the property and the value of the property and whether that property has equity in it, and the after repair value has some potential gains in it. So they could care a little less about your qualification criteria. They could be a bit more flexible, which is our third pro, flexibility. They tend to work with you. Some of them, if you have a good hard money lender on your end, they will work with you and make that deal work because they want to make money as much as you do. Okay? So these are quick 3 pros in regards to hard money lending. Now, what's the con? There's nothing as good as free money to you for you to make some type of gains in real estate. There got to be some cons, and one of the cons, it's the cost. It will cost you for you to finance your project through a hard money lender. Origination charges. Okay, another one, it's the interest rate. So the interest rate, it's going to be a lot higher than a typical mortgage loan coming from, again, Wells Fargo. I'm not picking on those bank institutions, but I'm just giving an example. Okay, so first con, cost. Second con, interest rate will be higher. It will be higher. And point number 3 would be, well, this could be a negative thing. It all depends on how well your project goes. It's a short-term loan, meaning that they typically lend your money. They lend this money for 6 months up to 5 years. So you have to repay this loan within 6 months or 5 years. So typically they want their money, the hard money lenders, they want their money within 6 months up to 5 years. If everything goes well, I strongly recommend for you to finish your project within a month if possible, or 2-month period, and then you have another 2 months for the property to be in the market. So between 3 months to 4 months, you have to be in and out of that project, in and out. That's the name of the game. It's time. So back to hard money loans. As you can see, you can get the money really fast. They don't care much about your credit or your qualification. They will do some type of standard verifications, but they're flexible. They want to make money. If you have a winner as a deal, they will lend you the money. Cons, it will cost you money. Interest rates are high, like are higher than typical. And a third, which could be a negative, it's a short-term loan. It depends on the project and how well it comes out. You also have other type of loans such as Fannie Mae, Home Style, that can help you remodel the property, but that's gearing towards the consumer-based area or category. It all depends as to what's the end goal of your project. You want to rehab the property and live in it. I would suggest go through a 203k FHA loan, or if you qualify for a Fannie Mae Home Style loan, as one of your loan officers or one of your trusted loan officers. I know a couple of them. They're great. They actually, one of the loan officers that we work with, they recommended us investor loan for 20% down, great terms, and it's for a long term. It's not a short term. So there could be some penalties. So talk to one of your loan officers or trusted loan officers that they could guide you through that. But hard money lenders, this has been some of the aspects of how to obtain, or what the pros and cons are for hard money loans. If you have any questions, any concerns as to how to obtain them, please comment down below in the comment section. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Give it a thumbs up if you like the content. It would be a tremendous help for us. And please don't hesitate. Comment down below. Reach out to us. And it's been a pleasure talking to you guys. Let's get the conversation going. And this is Joel from EZ Homebuyers, Manager of Acquisition. See you next time.